Good morning, welcome to my YouTube channel. Wanjiru Pesh. Yeah, this is another beautiful day. Yeah, I'm blessed. I'm glorifying God for this new day and beautiful day. And happy new month, December, a month of restoration. So, welcome to my channel. Subscribe, like, and comment. I've just come from showering. Now I'm taking my breakfast, which is porridge here. Porridge from Nyabohanse. I bought millet from Nyabohanse, and that's what I'm taking, and that's what I'll take for some time before I go back and buy some more. So let me enjoy my porridge, and from here, after the breakfast, I want to go to, we have a waterfall somewhere within our village, somewhere down. It's like 1.5 kilometers. I want to go there and yeah, do my things there. So see you later. So welcome again to my channel. Now it's the time I'm going to the waterfall. Yeah, and I'll make it. I know I will make it. So see you, bro. I'm going to the waterfall. Where are you going to? Oh, okay. I'm speaking to my sister-in-law. I'm going out of the gate. It's our gate. Oh. There she is. Yeah, I was adjusting my phone. The sun is too hot. Here we have an avocado tree. This one here. It has very, very sweet avocados, fruits, and very small. Small ones and very sweet. Let me go get my sister. She's the one who is delaying me. Let me go get her. Yeah, I've adjusted my phone. Let me get her. Hi, how are you? Where is your brother? Sorry? Oh, I don't know. Sijui ni aliitwa na sister-in-law yake. Somebody is talking to me. Huh? Come here. Come and say hi to my people. Yes. My guy is here. Say hi.
Hi.
Introduce yourself.
Sioni mtu.
You don't worry. Say your name.
Hi, I'm Monyo.
He's Charles Monyo. He's my cousin. He wants to see people there. You can't see them. Huh? I don't know where this girl is. Kindly, can you call Judy for me? Where is she? I have to go and get her. She told me she's coming and I can't see her. See how our beautiful village is. Here is the beautiful girl. Come. No, come. Come, just come. Okay. She doesn't want to appear in my video. How are you?
I'm good.
Don't you worry. Say who you are. You are who? Say hi.
Lois. Hi, I'm Lois.
She's very beautiful, very cute. She's my cousin. I'm going to the waterfall. Heading this way. And it is very hot. So, let's go, let's go. Okay. I want to show you how beautiful we have flowers here. These ones, I love them. They are just beautiful. See? Just beautiful. I love them. See? We have beautiful goats, black and white. They are feeding grass. And we are going this way. We've come from this side, you see, up the hill. Huh. It is a tough journey. And we are going this way. I'm seeing there. We are going this way, we are almost to the waterfall area, and there's like a forest, and I was told it's slippery, but we'll see how it is. See how this place is beautiful with trees, maize all over. Now this is the end of the road from our place. The road ends here. Yeah. But you are going ahead, and a long time ago I used to come this way, and I know the forest is still there where the waterfall is. So we go together and see if it still exists. It exists because I know people fall in, but we'll see. Hello good people, welcome again to my YouTube channel, Wanjiro Pesh. I have arrived at the waterfall. Now I want to show you the waterfall, and we have a bee. I don't know whether it's a beehive or what. It is it is far. Let me show you how it is. There it is, and it is very deep. Where you see brown water, it is very deep. And where the water is falling, we have a cave inside. Boys come to swim, jumping from up there, going down. You never see them again. So this is a place that was told nobody is supposed to come and swim here, because we have lost so many lives here. This is the waterfall that I was coming to show you. It is in our village, at the end of our road. Deep down. Here it is. I hope you can see the waterfall. I can't go here down. Can we go fast? Just a minute. I just drop a bit so that we can see it clearly. Oh my God. Wait. Wait, I hold myself. Yes, there. Nakwena aduraku. About to get it,
Very good.
oh, about to get it. And where is that? There it is. Oh, it is a deep one. Boys used to come and swim here. You see how big it is. When they swim, they jump from up there to where the water is falling. There is a cave inside there. So they fall, never to be seen again. So this place is reserved that people should not come here. People should not come here to play here or to do anything. So this is what I wanted to see for the first time in history. I'm born from this village and I've never come to this place. This is my first time. And there are so many mosquitoes. This is the river. The river from the wherever it comes, it's small like this, but the waterfall is this much. You see? That's how it is. I'm satisfied and I'm grateful and happy to see the waterfall in my village. I've never visited this place ever. My first time since I was born. So, that is it. This is a way out to the shopping centers. You go up this way, you'll find the main road to Lower Kabete Road. Yeah, and Wangige that way. So you can pass here by foot and up there you get the road. So I'm going back. I don't know whether I will manage, but let me try. And the sun is too hot. So see you in the next video, and for those who have not subscribed to my video, please subscribe, like and comment at Wanjiro Pesh. Thank you and see you. This is the river that makes the waterfall. It's a small stream, but the water is too much. Yeah, it comes from far. There is a road, you cross the road and then you go up somewhere very far. That is the river that makes the waterfall. So, this direction to our home. This place I've never visited. See, people coming to see how the place is. I see somebody standing from far. Our trees are tall. These are the trees that are in Kisii. You find long trees, tall trees, that is. We have napier grass, very beautiful green, and the forest there. Yeah, and from this direction, the waterfall is down here after this tree. It's beautiful. We have forest all over. See, see, go. He's telling me there are people seated somewhere. We didn't see them. So I'm going back home now. I'm satisfied. Hey. This is the way. This is the way home now from that place. Whew. Oh my God, it is hot. That place needs to be fenced. I'm being told a small boy came and he drowned himself there. Literally liking to drown. Yeah. So I'm tired. See you in the next video. Hello, once again. We are here picking these leaves. These are traditional steel wire or scrubber. That's why we are picking them to go wash our dishes with this. Yeah, we used this long time ago when I was young, and they used to clean our utensils very clean with soap, and this they clean like steel wire, and they have no smell. And this tree is a traditional tree. This one here, it's called Mukindori. In English, I don't know. Yeah, Mukindori. So here we are taking leaves to wash dishes. Here I have mine. I don't want to carry more. Yeah. Or you can take this and you go plant at Shosho's garden. Yeah, pluck. We go plant. No, kata tu.
Ada utwa.
No kuna. I'm telling her it's only cutting it just like that. You go and put it down. It will come up. So, yeah, we are heading home now. We have done what is